Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to use Cash App and buy Bitcoin. So first thing you have to do is go to App Store or Play Store and then install the Cash App. Once installed, open the app and sign up for an account if you don't have one already. After signing up, link your bank account or debit card to Cash App, and you'll need this to add funds to your account. You may also need to verify your identity by providing personal details like your name, address, and social security number. On the home screen, tap the Bitcoin or BTC symbol on the bottom right corner of the screen, which takes you to the Bitcoin section. If you can't find the Bitcoin tab, try checking under the investing section. Now, before purchasing Bitcoin, ensure you have sufficient funds in your Cash App balance. You can add money by tapping the Add Cash button on the home screen, entering the amount and confirming. On the Bitcoin screen, select Buy BTC. Now enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. You can either enter a specific dollar amount like $10 or tap on the predefined options. Review the current Bitcoin price and transaction details, then confirm your purchase. Cash App allows you to hold Bitcoin in your Cash App wallet, but for added security, you may want to transfer your Bitcoin to a separate wallet. To do that, tap on Withdraw Bitcoin in the Bitcoin section and then enter the external wallet address. And that's it. You've successfully used Cash App to buy Bitcoin. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!